won't stop the beat and go!
Hey everyone, Cassandra Brooks here. Let me start off by saying I'm so excited that you guys have been watching our videos and leaving us feedback and comments. We really appreciate it. And actually I'd like to read to you a comment that was left on one of our videos. It was by Sylvie Gonkovs, and she asked us if we could show a video showcasing summery dresses to wear to weddings. Thank you for that comment. It was a great idea. So actually this whole video is going to be dedicated to summery dresses that are perfect for any type of wedding. I'm going to start out in this dress. You can see it right here. Nude is just a gorgeous color and it's very classic, and you know, you could wear this dress to just about any wedding. It's kind of dressy, but it's not too dressy. And the material, love the material. And the nude shoes, I've said before, nude shoes are great. They elongate the legs. It gives you just an effect that your legs are mile high. So very beautiful dress. You can wear just about anywhere. Up next, we have a very classic summery dress that is perfect for a summer wedding. Great for outdoor weddings. And here we threw on a little shawl with it. It's yellow, so it's very vibrant. You know, the citrus colors are hot for the season. You gotta have the yellow shoes to tie it all together. And pearls are just very, very classy. So here we have the pearls with it. This is just an elegant, not too over the top, not too dressy dress that you could wear to a wedding. If you do have a dressier wedding that you're going to, we have this look. It's more of a semi-formal outfit, and this is gonna be for, you know, a nighttime wedding. You wouldn't wear this in the daytime. And with the pink shoes, it's tying in that little sash that we have on your waist. And completing the look, we have all the gold accessories because we have the gold in the shoes as well. So this is just a gorgeous semi-formal look for a wedding. And up next, I'm gonna show you a dress. Here we go. You can wear this dress for day or night. So say that, you know, the church reception, or the church that you're going to for the wedding is in the daytime, and then it's carrying on for the reception into the evening. This would be great. You can kind of get away with it for both events. The shoes are kind of a little high, I think, for church, but they go perfect with the outfit, and they'll be great for the reception because they have the silver and the black, just like the dress does right here. And clutches are very perfect for weddings. Now here, you know, some of you guys might be going to a more conservative wedding. This dress is gonna be perfect. It covers a little bit more. Depending on how conservative it is, you may wanna wear closed-toed shoes. Here we have it with the open-toed shoes, which is just very beautiful. And we have it with the hair clip here. Updos, you can go to you know, your local salon and have an updo, or I've shown some videos on YouTube about some really easy updos that you can do yourself at home. So that's really fun to play around with your hair when you're going somewhere that's more dressy. Here, up next, we have a look for a garden wedding. A lot of times in the summertime, you know, people are getting married outside in beautiful gardens and stuff like that. So this one is just perfect. It's tying together the elements of nature with the colors that we have here. And again, with the nude stilettos, they're gonna make your legs look super long. And I love the open strappy toe shoes. Very, very summertime here. And we gotta have the bangles and this headband. Very, very elegant, and with the roses again, that's channeling, you know, the elegant nature vibe here. So that's a great, you know, daytime garden look. You could even wear this in the evening. Here we have a beach wedding look. Now I love this. When you're having a wedding on the beach, it's very beautiful, and you know, it's kind of hard to wear stilettos. So here we have it with these flip-flops. They're actually sandals with, they kind of have a gladiator vibe to them, but they're very elegant with the beading and stuff on them, so that's very nice. And we're completing the look with the bangles and a clutch again. This clutch is very perfect for a beach wedding because of the type of material that it is, so it's just very cute. If you guys had any other weddings that I did not touch and you know, would like to know what to wear, please ask me, and hopefully I can, you know, make another video and tell you. But I think we touched on, you know, a lot of different weddings that people are going to be having during this season, and I hope I answered your questions. So yeah, have fun, look glamorous at those events, but don't show up the bride. Bye.
Just keep it down. Over your ring. Fell off the sweat. Pulls me in. Your heart. Things to me. Running feet through my blood. I come so inside you.